Cool.
Okay. This one, hold on. Okay, we have to open it up. Ah.
Wow. Whoa. Comics, Marvel Comics, cool. Let's open it up. Wow. Pretty cool. That's so cool. Now this. Alright, now we're gonna open up that one. Whoa. So awesome. So facial. Let me. Whoa. Whoa. Let's see. There's Minnie Mouse. Winnie the Pooh. And, I actually don't know who that is. So we got the Little Mermaid, Minnie Mouse, and Winnie the Pooh. Alright. So, now let's open up this. Whoa. Let's open this up. It's called a squeezable. That's so cool. Wait, you can squish it up and it goes back into size. Bwomp, 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 bwomp. Alright. Now, this. Yeah, now we're gonna open up the square box. Whoa, it's a Despicable Me bag. Yeah. Cool. Cool. Who did we get? Whoa, I wonder what his name is. Stuart. We got Stuart. Cool. So there's Stuart. Also, you can do this. Look, you can take off his head and and just take off his head and put it back on. It's cool. Now we can open up this. Whoa, it's slime. That's gross. Cool. Wow. Now, let's open this. Wait, I'm on. Cool. Oh, it's kind of slippery. Whoa. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Whoa. Yeah. It looks so cool and pretty. Let's just put it back in there. It's so slippery. Huh? Where will I go in? There. So, now What is in here? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles egg. Oh, so cool car. This is a kid smart car. It's so cool. It's like old fashioned. It's a 1957 Chevy Corvette. Also, look.
Oh no!
Sidewalk shop. We can use this outside. I want to see if these Tsum Tsum erasers work. Let's just draw a happy face. Now, let's try this. Yep, that works. Let's try this one. That sure works. And the Winnie the Pooh one. Yep, that's so cool. Well, this works. All the erasers work. I hope you enjoyed opening these toys with us. Now go play with slime.